Welcome to this Craftify AI tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create your business profile for your website. So to get started, you're going to head over to Craftify AI, log in, and go to the business section. Here I'm inside of my business, and if I scroll down to business identity, here we can see all of the business information that I've already added. However, you can add that all manually, or if you've already created a Google business profile, you can connect your existing business profile by clicking here. You're going to choose the account on which you have that business profile under. However, this tutorial is to show those of you who do not have a business profile already how to create one. So we're going to come back over here to business identity and then create Google business. Here, we're going to open up to a tutorial that's going to show you everything that we're going to talk about today. So if you're someone who would like to read all of this information, it's all here. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it here. Okay, so we've gone to business.google.com for our business profile. And here we're going to just get started. So to get started, you're definitely going to need your business name. So you can go ahead and pop that right in. We're going to be Almond Blossom. And if your business is already inside of Google, you can look here to see if any of these are us. None of these are us. So I'm going to create a new business with this name and continue. Now, from here, you can say if you're an online retail, a local store, or a service-based business. I'm going to say that I'm a service-based business because we're a bakery from home that we can deliver. And then you're going to enter a business category. Now, you're just going to type in a keyword that works for your business category. For mine, we are a bakery. Um, and you will start to see some of the most important ones that Google can put you in, but we can also add to this later. So you're just going to add one business category for now. Click next. And going forward, you're going to say, we're going to show you what areas do you serve your customers. Now, if you are a local store or another a type of business or an online store, here it's going to ask for your website or is going to ask for your physical location. Since we don't have a physical location, we're going to select a certain area. So I'm going to put in Vancouver, BC, Canada. All right, you can add a few of these and we can also change these later. So you just want to give a general zone. Now, it's going to ask her a phone number now, and then also your website. Now, you're going to want to make sure your phone number is a phone number that you can be reached by because we're going to need that later on for the verification process. So to keep on going, we're going to put our business on the map. So if we're ready to do that, we can click continue to find out what's next. And from here, we're going to go through the verification process. Now, the verification process can take a little while because of certain circumstances that Google asks for. So either they can send you a code by text or they might call you with a code. In this case, sometimes they also will send a physical postcard in the mail to your address. So it looks like they're going to ask me to verify by sending me a postcard. So what you'll do is you'll give them your address where they can reach you, and they'll send you a postcard with a verification. For this process, I'm going to verify later and just show you what's next. Now, next in your profile, you're going to choose your business hours. You want to be honest with these. You don't necessarily want them to be closed every day or open every day. Google knows that we're normal people who have lives. So you're going to choose the days that you're actually open, and you can also add your open and closing times on each day. I'm going to skip this for now. All right, then you're going to add your business description. This is really important, but Google needs to know what's going on. What's important to note here is that you absolutely cannot put in a promotional situation here. You cannot put in an ad, and you can also not give any personal details like an email or a phone number. Google will flag that. So just keep it simple, keep it to what you're doing. It can be something really short, just a couple of sentences. All right. Then you're gonna add photos of your business. It's extremely important on Google to show who you are. Statistics show that Google will show more businesses with better photos than those without. And also, viewers who are searching for things, they're looking for businesses that actually look real and look interesting, and your photos are going to show that off. So definitely add a couple of photos now, and then periodically, as your business develops and things change, you want to continue to update and add more photos there, kind of like we would for social media. So you'll just add a couple of images. It'll give you also good images to think about, maybe close-ups of your products, things like that. Maybe a full look of your store. In my case, maybe it would be a great idea for me to add like pictures in my kitchen of me making cookies, fresh baked cookies in the oven, things like that. And then you're automatically going to get this really awesome offer for 1,200 Canadian for advertising credit. In the USA, it's $1,000. And basically, Google Ads is an excellent way to show off your business. So claim your credit for sure for this tutorial we're skipping. And once we've been verified, once we receive that postcard in the mail, they're gonna let us know that we can be seen live on Google. So it's important that we always make sure that we've got that ready to go. Whenever we receive that, we want to log back into our business profile manager using our Google email, and we're going to find our company to be verified. So, just letting you know, this is how it works for creating a Google Profile Manager. Once you've got that all set up, you can head back into your Craftify AI and add that in, and all of your information that you've uploaded here will also be put into your Craftify business profile. And that way you can use that information throughout all of your crafts and your marketing material. Hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave us a comment leave us a comment, and we'll get back to you, and see you next time.